मेरे लिए ना ट्रैवल का सही मतलब कुछ जगह की चेकलिस्ट पूरा करना नहीं, बल्कि वहाँ के लोगों से या वहाँ के कल्चर से पूरी तरह से कनेक्ट होना है। तो इसी तलाश में मैंने स्पीति का एक छोटा सा डी रूट लिया। Hello, Namaste, Anjuli, and welcome to Spiti. So currently, this is my third day in Spiti, and I'm really sorry that I'm speaking really slow because currently I'm at Key Monastery in Key Village, and this is my third day, and I'm actually finally traveling solo. So what I'm doing today, I am actually here to volunteer for an entire day in Key Monastery. I did the same in Lahore, and I'm doing again that in Key. Come here, I took a lift from my fellow Zostelites, if I can call that, Zostel mates. They were heading towards Chandratal. They dropped me till Key Village, and there's a shortcut from Key Village till Key Monastery through staircase. So yeah, let's go, and I hope I can record as much as possible and show you guys what exactly my experience was. The biggest center of Buddhist learning in Spiti Valley, Key Monastery is about 1,000-year-old now. It is the oldest training center for lamas and located at a height of 13,668 feet. अगर आप भी किसी भी monastery में volunteer करना चाहते, it all depends upon the requirement over there. Whether if they need a teacher or if they need a helper, anything. So similarly, मैं भी की में जाके I actually requested and asked if they needed any help. So they asked me to come over a weekend and help them with cooking. मेरे साथ वहाँ पे काफ़ी लोग volunteer कर रहे थे. There was a girl from Japan and a guy from Russia. But they were not volunteering like me for a day or two. वो वहाँ पे ही रहते थे. अभी फ़िलहाल तो monastery में रहने का option बंद था due to COVID. But if you also wish to volunteer in any monastery, आप सीधे जाके वहाँ के head lama से permission मांग सकते हो. And it also depends upon whether he likes you or not. So please make sure you're respectful and not just there for a free stay. ठीक है मैम, टेस्टी भी है.
जिंदगी ना मिले दोबारा क्यों?
तो मिलेंगे किसी मोड़ पर.
Hey guys, so we are done with our volunteering day. So I started at 8 and it's currently 2 o'clock, and we are done with the dinner prep. I helped them cut the veggies and also cook a little bit, and I'm free. So actually it was compulsory, and also Tenzin Lama told us to meditate in a cave, and I'm actually feeling really different after that. It was a completely different experience, you know. I thought I'll be really scared, you know, because that cave had only one small window and it was really enclosed. But I kind of felt like, I don't know, I cannot really define in words how I felt with that meditation session. I sat there for about an hour and I didn't even understand. It was already an hour. So yeah, let's go now and watch some watch the match that monks are playing. So hi guys, so we have arrived in Pin Valley and currently I am in Mud Village. Today there was no plan. Today is a working day. But in the morning at 6:30, Mr. Atul knocked my door and he was really excited to go to Pin. I mean, he was really hyped the entire Spiti
And
trip.
I convinced her.
He convinced me. I was really not excited to go to Pin, but because
and
of him we are
I'm good
here.
at convincing people, so yeah.
So yeah, that was the entire story of coming here. We reached here in about 6:37, 2 hours. So it was a 2 hours drive. I don't know the exact kilometers, पर बोलते हैं कि मड विलेज काफ़ी सुंदर है और ये है मड विलेज का पूरा व्यू. यहाँ से पिन वैली भामा का ट्रैक स्टार्ट होता है जो आपको पिन पार्वती का ट्रैक स्टार्ट होता है जो आपको पार्वती वैली जो कसोल में वहाँ तक छोड़ता है. इट्स अ वेरी पॉपुलर ट्रैक, अ 10-day ट्रैक. और यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो रेड कलर के माउंटेन्स है. इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ स्मॉल रेड कलर के प्लांट्स. यू कैन सी द शैडो. सो या दैट्स इट. आई मीन हियर देर आर लॉट ऑफ होम स्टेज, बट यहाँ पे सिर्फ BSNL चलता है, जियो या एयरटेल नहीं चलता है. बट अगर आपको एक्सप्लोर करना है आप एक दिन के लिए यहाँ रह सकते हो.
तारा कैफे खाने चाहिए.
खाना ठीक था तारा कैफ़े में, बट हाँ यहाँ पे ज़्यादा ऑप्शन नहीं है बिकॉज छोटा सा विलेज है. सो दैट्स इट. अभी हम जाएंगे, अतुल के साथ हम जाएंगे मॉनेस्ट्री में डांस करने बिकॉज एक लामा जी का बर्थडे है. और काफ़ी लोग उसी तरफ हेड कर रहे हैं.
ज़्यादा एक्साइटमेंट हो गया.
काफ़ी लोग उसी तरफ हेड कर रहे हैं, सारे जो काजा या पिन के लोग हैं, तो हम वहाँ पे जाके अटेंड करेंगे. सो दैट्स इट. Religion has been a very controversial topic for me and for every one of us. I think these days is a very controversial topic, but हमेशा से controversial रहा है अगर ध्यान से सोचो तो. बचपन में, because history was really boring, my father used to tell me stories. Like he's a great storyteller and he used to cook up stories so that I could learn some answers. And I remember during that time I asked him a question कि religion actually होता क्या है पापा, and he was not able to give me the answer for that. उस टाइम से मेरे दिमाग में हमेशा से ये क्वेश्चन रहा है. Even when I was in my childhood, I always had a question, इतनी डिफरेंस क्यों होती है लोगों के सोच में, या लोग ऐसे डिफरेंशिएट क्यों करते हैं कि ये ऐसा है या वो वैसे है. So I don't know if I should put this, I don't know in editing if I'll put this in the vlog or not, but उसी तलाश में मैं जब ट्रैवल के लिए निकली, I decided कि मैं I will be a label-less person and I'm going to experience every religion, without putting any judgment in my head. So being born or being brought up in Shirdi, which is considered to be as a devotee's island, my mom is really religious and my dad is also really religious. And going to being in Goa for 2 years and going to every church, I attended few masses as well. I sat and spoke to a lot of ladies about Christianity. Again, I volunteered in a Gurudwara when I was in Dharamshala, and again, मैं अजमेर शरीफ दरगाह भी गई. वहाँ पे I tried to get to know a lot as much as possible about Islam, and then I volunteered in Key Monastery. But the peace that I find in a temple, in a mosque, in a church, in a monastery, or in a gurudwara, or in a church are all the same. And I felt the same energy in every place that I visited, no matter where it was, no matter, what religion that was, or no matter what language or they were worshipping the god in. Every religion has a different belief कि पिछले जन्म का कर्म आपको इस जन्म में मिलेगा. कुछ बोलते हैं इस जन्म का कर्म आपको इस जन्म में मिलेगा. So that made me confused, but the feeling that I had, the peace that I had while sitting in every place was the same. And I confronted this with a monk in Tenzin Lama in Key Monastery. I hope he's watching this, and if he's watching this, hello Tenzin Lama ji. So he explained me कि भगवान या ईविल हमारे अंदर होते हैं, और हम उसे किस तरह से, या हम जिस तरह से दुनिया देखते हैं, या हमारे अंदर हम जो बिलीफ रखते हैं वही हमारे लिए भगवान होते हैं. और that really stuck on me, because for me the blessings or the God that I saw in people, during these trips or during in life, a lot could have gone wrong with the risks that I took on my travel, or with the places that I visited, or solo traveling is not really easy. Some days not everything goes according to the plan, or सब कुछ हमेशा लाइफ में प्लान के अकॉर्डिंग नहीं ही जाता है. But at that particular point of time, I met a lot of people who, without any selfishness or without any intention, helped me out. And I think I saw a God in them. बोल मेरा नाम.
ये नहीं बोल रहा.
अभी तो बोल रहा.
क्या?